Shall I start?
Ekanimisham. I will just dismiss you for 1 minute, and if you can log in, I will again. पृथ्वी शनाय भवती अस्ति वा? पृथ्वी शनाय
आम् महोदय।
इदानीम् एकं कार्यं कुर्मः। प्रतिभा भगिनी आरम्भं करोति। प्रतिभा भगिनी एकां पङ्क्तिं वदति, भवती द्वितीयपङ्क्तिं वदतु। एवं पादमध्ये विरामः मास्तु।
अस्तु महोदय। अथ पातालभोगिवर्गः अधो भुवन पाताल बलि सद्मरसातलम्।
नाग पृथ्वी
नागलोकोऽथ कुहरं सुशिरं विवरं बिलम्।
छिद्रं निर्व्यथनं रोकं रन्ध्रं श्वभ्रं वपासुषिः।
गर्तावटौ भुविश्वभ्रे सरन्ध्रे सुशिरन्त्रिषु।
अन्धकारोऽस्त्रियान्ध्वान्तं तमिस्रं तिमिरन्तमः।
ध्वान्ते गाढेऽन्धतमसं क्षीणेव तमसन्तमः।
विश्वक्सन्तमसन्नागाः काद्रवेयास्तदीश्वरः।
शेषोऽनन्तो वासुकिस्तु सर्पराजोऽथ गोनसे।
तिलित्सस्यादजगरे शर्युवाहस इत्युभौ।
अलगर्दो जलव्यालः समौ राजिलडुण्डुभौ।
मालुधानो मातुलाहिर्निर्मुक्तो मुक्तकञ्चुकः।
सर्पः प्रदाकुर्भुजगो भुजङ्गो हिर्भुजङ्गमः।
आशीविशो विषधरश्चक्री व्यालः सरीसृपः।
कुण्डलीगूढपाच्चक्षुश्रवाः काकोदरः फणी।
दर्वीकरो दीर्घपृष्ठो दन्तशूको बिलेशयः।
उरगः पन्नगो भोगी जिह्मगः पवनाशनः।
लीलाहानो द्विरसनो व्यालः गोकर्णं हरिः।
कुम्भीनसः फणधरो हरिर्भोगधरस्तथा।
अहे शरीरं भोगस्यादाशीरप्यहिदं स्ट्रिका।
दृष्ट्वा हेयं विषास्थ्यादिस्फटा यान्तु फणाद्वयोः।
तमौ कञ्चुकनिर्मोकौ क्ष्वेडस्तु गरलं विषम्।
पुंसि क्लीबे च काकोलकालकूटहलाहलाः।
सौराष्टिकः शौक्लिकेयो ब्रह्मपुत्रः प्रदीपनः।
दारदो वत्सनाभश्च विषभेदा अमीनव।
विषवैद्यो जाङ्गुलिको व्यालग्राह्य हि तुण्डिकः। इति पातालभोगिवर्गः।
उत्तमम्. You can mute yourself. So Pratibha Bhagini, till where did we do the meanings?
I think Vishasthyatis Phatayam tu Phanadvayoho. We did Vyala गोकर्णम कंचुकी तथा इति लेलिहानो द्विरसनो we finished.
Okay. So from 50 we have to line number 50 alla 503.
Mahodaya, we can't see the text on the screen.
Evam va? What is the problem? Text on the screen.
इत्युक्ते स्क्रीन् शेर् एव न प्राप्तं महोदय, तदर्थं समयं स्वीकृतवती।
इदानीं दृश्यते महोदय।
Okay, sorry for that. कुम्भीनसः फणधरः हरिर्भोगधरस्तथा. So we were discussing about Harihi. Kumbhinasah Pranadaraha Harir. So Harir Bhogadharastata. Then only Hari has got many meanings. That's what Venkatragon Modaya asked. Ahe Shariram Bhogasyat Ashirapyahidam Shtrika. I think from there we have to do. Ahe Shariram Bhogasyat. So that line is an extra line which is not there in most of the books. Ahe Shariram Bhogasyat Ashirapyahidam Shtrika. Ahehe Shariram. Ahehe Ahaha Ahihi ityukte Sarpaha. Sarpasya Shariram Bhogaha iti uchyate. अतः एव भोगः अस्य अस्ति इति भोगी इति अत्र अस्य वर्गस्य भोगी इत्यपि नाम अस्ति। पुनः उरगः पन्नगो भोगी इत्यपि अस्ति। अहे शरीरं भोगस्यात् आशीरप्यहिदं श्ट्रिका। आशीरप्यहिदं श्ट्रिका। Ananta Krishna Mahodaya, can you speak? No. We will just go to the Kosha Sanskrit today. We will just see what is the meaning of. So I think it is referring to the teeth. I don't know where they have the teeth. I will come back to you on this. Ahidamstrika, this line I will come back to you because it has been inserted from some other Amarakosha, some other version of Amarakosha. I just have to refer which version and come back to you on this. Ahe Shariram Bhogasya. Now we will go to the next line. This line I will tell you afterwards. Trishvaheyam Vishasthyadi Spatayantu Panadvayoho. So Trishu Aheyam iti uchyate. Trishu Aheyam iti uchyate. Aheyam. What is Aheyam? Aheya refers to anything that comes out of the snake. That is, for example, the poison. Vishasthyadi. So Visha is considered to be Aheya. Now, Trishvaheyam. So what comes out of the sarpa is, one is Visha can come out of the sarpa, sheds out its skin. Therefore, that also can be called as Aheya. So Ahau Bhavam. There is one sutra called Dhriti Kukchi Kala Shivastyasti Swastyaher Dhai. So because you get Dhai Pratyaya, you get Yeya. So Trishvaheyam. So what he is telling is Ahehe Visham Vishasthyadi. Sthyadi ityukte charmadi etat sarvam yad ahehe asti. Ahehe ityukte bhujagasya asti. Tat aheyam iti uchyate. So anything that comes out of sarpa is called aheya. So the word that is being defined here is aheya, and the examples are Visha, Asthya. Asthya means skin, charma iti chintyami.
Mahodaya, is it Visha Asthi Adi?
But Asthi, that Visha Asthi Adi iti ityapi vaktum shakyate, parantu तदेव अहं चिन्तयन् आसम् तथा वक्तव्यं वा इति. अस्थि अस्थि इत्युक्ते बोन्स् इति, परन्तु तस्य विषा तत्र तदित प्रत्ययः अस्ति इति चिन्तयामि। विष अस्थि वक्तुं शक्यते। सो विष अस्थि आदि, विषास्थ्यादि, that is अस्थि, सो अस्थि चर्म इत्यादि आहेयम् इति वक्तुं शक्यते। सो आहेयम् इति शब्दः त्रिषु अस्ति, त्रिषु इत्युक्ते त्रिलिङ्गेषु अस्ति। स्फटायान्तु फणादयोः, यस प्रतिभा भगिनी is right. Visha, so we have to split this as Visha Asthi Adi. So Visha Asthi Adi means Asthyadi, Asthi bone, Visha, but bone, does it come out of, I don't know what is used by the bone. So do we have asthya as, I just wanted to say, pertaining to bones. Okay, asthya. Spatha yantu phana dvayoho. Spatha, what is spatha? The phana is the hood of the snake is called as spatha, and phana is dvayoho. It can be in dvayoho. It can be in two lingas. Three pulinga. Spatha, phana are the two names for the hood of the snake, and it can be in two lingas. That's what it is being described here. Samau kanchuka nirmokau. Another, we have few lines, we'll finish that. Samau kanchuka nirmokau kshedastu garalam visham. Kshedaha garalam visham. These three words are for the visha of the sarpa. Kanchuka nirmokau is kanchuka and nirmoka are the skin of the snake. So charma iti vaktum shakyate. Tumsik klibe cha kakola kala kuta hala hala. So now there are different kinds of poisons. Now vishabheda aminava, that is what they are telling here. So which are the 9 types of poisons? Kakolaha kalakutaha, halahalaha, saurashtrikaha, shauklikeyaha, brahmaputraha, pradipanaha, daradaha, vatsanabhaha. Iti, these are vishabheda, vatsanabhascha, vishabheda, aminava. These are types of poison, names of the poisons you can tell. Kalakuta is a visha. Hala or hala is the visha which came out of the Kshira Sagara, which Shiva drank. Kakola is a famous visha, which comes in probably in Nala Damayanti story. I don't remember it properly, but I think I have heard it somewhere. Kakolaha. There is some special, the reasons for these names we have to find out from the Puranas or from some other origin. But these are some of the names of the Vishas. That much we can make out. Darado Vatsanabhascha. Oh, Darada Vatsanabha is also there. Darado Vatsanabhascha. For example, some of these are like you have, let me give you an example, parallel example. You have a scent, you have a perfume. You say that the perfume is from Paris. Same way, if the Visha is from Saurashtrika, that means it comes from the snake of which is residing in Saurashtra. It has been extracted from there. Now, Saurashtrikaha, Shauklikeyaha, all these may be places from where we can extract the Visha. Some of the, only some of the, all the 9 are not like that. I am talking about Saurashtrikaha, Shauklikeyaha, Daradaha. These are place related. Darada Desha, Darada Deshe Bhavaha, Daradaha. Same way, Vatsanabaha, it is a type of Visha. Let me clarify this. Now this, if you apply this Visha on the cows or on the small children, they will get killed. This is Vatsanabha. That is one type of Visha. Now, if I come to some other Visha like Kala Kutaha, Kalamapi Kutayati, Kalaha ityukte Yamaha. Now, Kalamapi Kutayati Yad Visham, Tat Kalakutam. Kutayati ityukte Hanti Tina, Prayaha Dahati, Pidayati. So, Kalakuta is the Visha which can even trouble the Yama. Now, how do you know? Kuta is Daha, Paridahe iti dhatu, Kuta Paridahe. Now, same way, Hala, 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 Hala. There are 2 versions of this one. So like this, there are different names of these Vishas, and Pumsi Klibecha, they are in Pullinga and Strilinga. Hala, Halaha, Hala, Halam, you can do whatever it is. It is Pumsi and Kliba. Some are based on etymological derivation. Some are having the Desha as Desha based poisons. So Vishavaidyo Jangulikaha, Vyalagrashya Hitundikaha. Jangulikaha is a Vishavaidya. So sometimes Jangulikaha, he will come and remove the poison. Vyalagrahi. Now Jangulikaha is Vishavaidyaha. Vyalagrahi Ahitundikaha. Now what? So you have seen the snake charmers. Vyalagrahi Ahitundikaha, these 2 words, they represents the person who catch the snake and who will use it for, who will remove the poison and who will use it for his own bhiksha or for his own udara nimitta. That means he will use it for doing some dance and other things, and he will collect money from the people. Vyalagrahi Ahitundikaha. Grahi Ahitundikaha. These are the snake charmers who catch the snake and they use it for their own purpose, maybe to make their living. So this finishes the Patala Bhogi Varga. I have not told about one line which is I am not sure whether this is an authentic line, which is why ahe shariram bhogasyat ashirapyahidam shtrika. Shariram bhogaha is okay. Ashirapyahidam shtrika, I have to check and come back to you on that. I think the rest are clear. Any doubts, you can ask questions now, based on which we can proceed further.
महोदय एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति अहिः इत्युक्ते सर्पः अहिर्बुध्न्यः शिवस्य नाम. Is there any relation? How is it?
Ahirbudhni, ahirbudhnyoshtamurtischa. Ahirbudhnyah. I will refer and tell you, because in the Ahirbudhnya, that Shabda is there in the Veda also. Ahirbudhnya, Prathamanayeti, there is one Vedic Shabda also. I will just refer the Vedic dictionary also and come back to you on that. That Ahirbudhnya is, it is a Vedic Shabda, so I have to refer that and tell. I just can't refer this dictionary and tell you. I will come back to you on that. Ahirbudhnya. Sorry. I'll come back to you on that, Bhagin.
Astu.
Any other questions? Before we proceed now, I just Radhika Mata. Okay, Radhika Mata, what is your question?
Hari Om. This Aheta, as you said, it is pertaining to a serpent. So the Vishta or the teeth or the skin, that is anything to do with the Ahihi is Aheya. Then Ashish, this line, Ahe Shariram Bhogasyad Ashihi Apyahidam Shtrika, in octave, Vaman octave, Ash, Sakaranta Strilinga, Ashi, that says snake's fang. Fangs are the two sharp teeth that it has, which are supposed to have the poison. Because when the snake charmer removes the poison, he removes those poison teeth, the fangs. And Ashi is also there. Ikaranta Strilinga is also there. That also says a serpent's fang. Or a kind of venom, a kind of poison.
That is where I was. It is a kind of poison or the fang. Ahidamstrika, but Amarakosha, Amarasimha says it is Ahidamstrika. It is.
Damstrika is the tooth, which is the fang. Which is the fang.
That is what he says. But there is Syadashir Apyahidam. Apyahi is there, no? Ashirapyahi, that api is there. That is where I was thinking that it has got some other meaning. That you clarified now. Ashihi also means poison. It also means fang.
Fang.
Okay. Thank you for the clarification. I think you have clarified it. So this line Ashirapyahidam Shtrika, one was Ashihi is fang, and one as per Apte dictionary, that's what Radhika Mata says. And Ashihi also means the poison. But Amarasimha calls it as Ahidam Shtrika.
Now here
he
we
calls it
take
the
it as Ash Will it be sakaranta here or ashi ikaranta? Because that
Sakaranta.
repa is there. Repa is there.
No, sakaranta only. Ashihi. It is visarga
Ashis.
sakaranta, but prathama vibhakti is ashihi. So sakaranta and prathama vibhakti is ashihi. That is sure. That is no.
So here it is not ashi, it is ashis.
That is what ashis shabda only. Ashihi is the prathama vibhakti form.
Vibhakti.
Ashis.
Yes.
Ashis is the pratipadika.
Pratipadika.
The root. Okay. Thank you for the clarification. Then Venkatraghavan Mahodaya.
So the vishas, different vishas, right? Are they interchangeably used? Because in Jayadeva's Gita Govinda, Krishna says, Shanke Sundari Kalakotam Apibhate Mandom Idanipati. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಷೀರೋದ ತೀರೋದರೆ ಅಂತ ಪೂರ್ವಾರ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಷೀರೋದ ತೀರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ವಿಷ ಬರೀ ಹಾಲಾಹಲಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಛಂದೋಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಕಾಲಕೂಟ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಿಟರರಿ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂಶಯ.
It is interchangeable in the literary sense, unless, but if you go, I just told you what may be the etymological derivations of all these words. Say kalakuta, some which I knew. I told kalam kutayati. Iti kalakutaha. That means what is the meaning of kalam kutayati? It can even kalamapi kutayitum shaktihi asti. It means it's a powerful poison. That is the intent. Can a poison kill Yama? That or Kala. So, but it is Kalam api kutaitum shakti rasti. Iti tatparya. So the answer is it can be used interchangeably.
Okay. So अन्यः एकः आसीविषयविकृद्धः ಅಂತ ಸುಂದರಕಾಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರಾವಣನ್ ಕೋಪ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡನು. ಆಸೀವಿಷಯವಿಕೃದ್ದಃ. ಸುಂದರಕಾಂಡ ಸೀತಾಮಾತಾ when she says ತೃಣಮಂತರತ ಕೃತ್ವಾ ಪ್ರತ್ಯುವಾಚ ಶುಚಿಸ್ಮಿತ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ she ಕಥಂ ನ ಪತಿತಾ ಭುವಿ ಜಿಹ್ವಾ ಕಥಂ ನ ಪತಿತಾ ಭುವಿ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So she will scold and Ravana becomes very angry. Asi vishay vakruddha hantum arabhate atala.
Ashi visha is direct.
So it is more it's a snake. Asi vishaha anta.
Ashi vishaha is a snake. Sarpaha ityeva svikartavim Ramayane. Ashi vishay vakruddha. You have to take this Ashi Visha Shabda which is there in line number 498. So ivaga Ashi ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. Okay.
ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಹೇಳಿ. Hello?
न श्रूयते महोदय। न महोदय।